Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you how to run YouTube ads for music video. It's very easy. First go to Google Ads and create an account if you don't have one. Then link your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account to easily manage your video ads. In Google Ads, click on Create Campaign. Choose brand awareness and reach or video views as your campaign goal depending on whether you want more exposure or video engagement. Select video as your campaign type, perfect for promoting music videos. You will want to reach people who are likely to enjoy your music, so target based on age, gender and location, people interested in genres similar to yours, pop, rock, rap, etc. Keywords related to your music festivals or similar artists. You can even target a specific YouTube channels or videos where your music would fit well. Your music video is your ad, so make sure it grabs attention from the start. Use a strong intro. The first 5 seconds are crucial for keeping people hooked. Consider adding engaging caption or a CTA. Listen now on Spotify. Watch the full music video. Subscribe for more music. Then these ads appear before other videos and allow users to skip after 5 seconds. These ads show up in YouTube search result or related videos. The 6 seconds non-skippable ads that can be used to promote snippets of your music video. Set a daily budget and choose your bidding strategy. Pay when someone watches or interacts with your ads. Pay when someone engages with your video. Double check your targeting, ad copy and budget once you are ready. Launch your campaign. Track your ad performance, see how well it's engaging your audience and adjust your strategy as needed. And that's how you can run YouTube ads for your music video.